Before this video goes underway, I wanted to let you guys know that I am running a giveaway here on one of these Qualitel speakers. All you got to do is check out the description down below if you want to see all the rules and how to enter. It's very simple, very easy, and you get a chance to win one of these really cool Qualitel speakers here with 7 different sleep sounds, a wireless charging pad on the top, and a Bluetooth mode that lets you play whatever songs you want. What is up, everybody? It's your boy Brando. Today we're checking out this Qualitel speaker. You can pick this up on Amazon for $49.99, and there will be a link down below, so be sure to check that out if you want to purchase this. But yeah, this is a Bluetooth speaker, also has a built-in wireless charging pad on the top, as well as a white noise machine, which is one of the main selling points of this device right here. It's 1800 milliamp hour built-in battery. The wireless charging, however, needs to be plugged into work, I believe. We'll be checking all that out. You guys go ahead and leave a reply in the poll up there if you think my hands look like that of a 12-year-old girl's. I've had some comments saying that my hands look like that of a 12-year-old girl. I kind of disagree. Get our trusty screwdriver here and hopefully we can make a slit. So here it is, the Qualitel speaker. Let's go ahead and open up the box. Surprise for you. Go open me. Instruction manual here. Looks like some basic stuff. There's all the sounds it makes right there. Rain, wind, wave, forest, bird, cicadas, and a brook. So yeah, decent quality plastic, nice and coated. Let's stop talking about that. So here it is. This is the actual speaker itself. We're gonna set that aside right there. You can see it has a little flippery pad here. We'll get into what that does here in a second. The only other thing in the box is the micro USB cable, so you will need your own power brick if you want to keep this thing plugged in. And we'll look at our stuff here. So here's a micro USB cable right here. Take off our band. Here is the pad. This is what keeps your phone from sliding off the top if you use a wireless charging. It's got 2 high sensitive drivers as well as a patented base port. So it has some special technology in here that apparently you can't get anywhere else. On the back here, you have the Qualitel logo. This is your charging port and also your power port too. Depending on what you're using, you have your off, on, timer setting ½ hour, timer setting 1 hour. Little blue light comes on right there blinking and it does a ding, ding, ding. So that's pretty cool that it doesn't loop. And you can see all the different sound settings here that we talked about before. Let's take a look at the side here. You have your play and pause, as well as your volume up and down. I'm sure that might actually be able to skip songs and stuff too in Bluetooth mode, but let's go ahead and try out these sounds. You gotta tap it a while, but it gets there. Okay, so you hear that sound. Razon. Okay. Got some waves right here, some wave action. Try some volume down just a little bit. Pause. Play. You know, it's a pretty good little sleek panel. It's not actually buttons physically. Birds. Well, I guess that's the forest right there actually. Got some other sounds. Let's go to our birdie boy right here. Out of frame there a little bit, sorry. We get some actual birds going on there. This is the cicadas, I believe. Not my favorite personally. And then you can connect this and pair it with your phone and listen to whatever songs you want. So it's a sound machine, a wireless charger, and a Bluetooth speaker. So this is kind of the perfect thing to keep by your bed. If only they put a little clock in here, I think it'd be the most perfect device ever. Okay, so let's go ahead and plug this into the wall so that we can actually use the wireless charging. Yep, so all we're gonna do now is just set the phone right on top of the pad. And as you can see, it's charging. Put it right back on, and it's charging again, no problem at all. So as you can see, it works good and it fits. My phone's like the exact same size as this thing. So I can charge my phone, get some sleep sounds on, maybe listen to some music, bring it around. So it's a really cool and intuitive device, I think. I think it would be cool if it had a clock up here on the front, but obviously that's not necessary. You have your phone right on top. It has a clock on it. But I think this is a very cool device. I think it's very unique. This is the Qualitel Bluetooth speaker. It has 7 different sleep sounds, a wireless charging pad on the top, and it's $49.99 from Amazon. The build quality seems pretty good to me. It's plastic obviously on the top. It's got a metal grill on the front, but it seems like this is metal too up here on the front. It seems really good quality. I like the retro style of it. It's very unique. sort of takes me back to a different time period, but I really do enjoy it. I've been using this for many weeks now. So yeah, there you go, guys. If you guys enjoyed this video, be sure to subscribe, hit the bell icon to stay up to date on more of these tech videos. If you have any comments or questions, leave them down below and I'll get back to you. Thanks for watching, guys, and have a good one.